皆さんこんにちは and welcome to Let's Ask Shogo. I am Shogo. This is my wife Harumi and my daughter Hinata. Hi everyone. Hi. So today we're going to be taking you to the Kyoto Aquarium, which is a perfect place to visit both for couples and families. It's in walking distance from the Kyoto station, and also the Umekōji Park and the Kyoto Railway Museum is very close by too. Kyoto Aquarium is worth visiting anytime, but it's especially recommended on rainy days because the other tourist spots like the shrines and temples will be difficult to visit. And in this channel, we'll be introducing the hidden gems of Kyoto. So if you're a Kyoto lover or planning to come to Kyoto someday, I hope you can give us a subscribe to enjoy our other content. それでは中入っていきましょう。Kyoto Aquarium right there. It's a beautiful day today too, Mom. Okay. Alright, ready? Masks on. Let's go. This way.
お隣でお子さん3人の
はい。
じゃあ青いところに振ってください。
おー、すごい。
これで大丈夫です。
なるほど。
どうぞ。
ありがとうございます。Oh, it's beautiful. It's very exciting already. Kyoto Aquarium is very famous for the Japanese giant salamander.
オオサンショウウオ。あ、これ。
Take a look at this guy. It's big.
すごい。
Still too. Sitting there.
スリなのかこれは。
I don't know. Is he standing?
I don't know.
Is he standing? 世界最大級の両生類。
へー。すごいね。すごいね。
Well, this is just the entrance. There's so many to see already.
うわー。うわー。すごい、めっちゃ大きい。
We're going to be leaving the stroller here, the stroller parking. Honey, let's take off your jacket.
あっち行くの？行こうか。うわー。なんだ。
You look so happy, sweetheart. So there's a small cafe area here too. I think you can buy some hot dogs and some drinks. And I guess you can eat them around the seats here. If you're a little bit hungry. You're overexcited today. What is this guy doing?
アザラシ。
Take a look at him. He's stuck there. Is this like in a relaxed mode or what? What is it? It's really cute now. You can see him through the camera. So his face is out of the water. But his body is like straight up.
見えるかな。うわー。
Oh, there's an area under here too. It's really fun.
あ、こっちだ。え、こっち来た。
Oh, I get it. This area is connected underneath into this area.
こうなの
They
ね。
come over here sometimes.
え、優しい、ありがと
The next area is the Sea of Kyoto. So we're going to be going to watch the fish that live inside the oceans. Let's go. Penguin cave. It's right here.
う。わ、かわいい。
So close. It's so amazing. Penguins, they're birds and they're inside the water.
確かに。
But they're regarded as birds.
これね。ペンギン。ペンギンの羽だってこれ。ペンギンの卵。
This is really fun to watch. You can take a look at the relationships between the penguins in this aquarium. It's funny, take a look at this. Ex-couples. Ex-couples. So you can see their couples here.
Couples.
Or brothers. Couples.
Couples.
一人のペンギンにも皆さん。
面白い。すごい小悪魔。 がかわいい。
Take a look at the list of the fish that are here. They have the English names on there too, each of them. Red sea green. You see over here they have the English descriptions as well. So.
イワシがすごいぐるぐる大きい。すごいね。
Seems we get to see more penguins.
Penguins.
There's quite a lot of these vending machines inside the facility, so if you get thirsty, you can buy them here.
かわいい。
The footprints on the ground.
かわいい。
The emperor penguin. See,
Wow.
over here. This style? Penguins are a lot bigger than you.
すごい大きいね。
Emperor penguin is huge. The penguins over here are a little smaller. So this one is a tiny little penguin that's here.
Hello.
What's that face? I'm gonna get down.
あら。こんにちは。
He's sleeping.
ああ。
There's the egg now.
卵温めてる。
Why are they all so close to the glass? Why do they want to be so close to the glass?
楽しいんかな。もはや。
Maybe.
すごいよ。
So there originally was a program where you get to feed the penguins, but
Uh-uh.
they're not doing it either.
あ
It's
ー残
sad.
念残念。
As you said, all the names are from the streets.
うん。
It's such a cute idea to give them the names of the streets and go.
うん。
So these are the points that the staff members look at to distinguish who is who.
うん。
The problem is though that everything is written only in Japanese, so it's a little bit hard to understand everything in English though.
うん。
I wish they had more English here. It's fun to watch.
うんうん。
You go inside and get to take a look at the jellyfish.
Alright.
Yeah, no, come on. Kurage wonder. Kurage is jellyfish in Japanese. Yeah, there's some exclamation in English too. These explain floating object. So you see day 1, you can't see anything inside glass there. Day 2 to 5, they're a little bit bigger.
おお。
And over here, 11 to 15, 6 to 10 days. Yeah, you can definitely see them.
すごいちっちゃ
From
いでも。
16 to 20. You get this big. You get to see how they grow.
面白い。
Lastly, about 2 months. They're this big. About the size of my fist, I think.
本当だ。
Or even
大き
bigger,
い。
actually. The biggest guy is a lot bigger than my
う
fist.
ん。 Really?
The English name is fried egg jellyfish. The person who named this jellyfish probably didn't have breakfast yet. It's what it's written there. Sorely
面
hungry.
白い。
Dolphin Stadium.
うん。 何ウツボ
Yeah, right here. Giant moray. It's great.
毒ウツボ
Is he poisonous or why is the name Doku on it? He looks really scary though.
怖い
It's so funny looking at these guys poking out of the ground.
顔出してる
So cute.
パクパクしてる
So fun. You can see there's these jellyfish-shaped lights hanging from the ceiling. Really beautiful. People in Niigata Prefecture who are making these lights. Each jellyfish has a base and what it's supposed to look like.
あ、本当だ
It seems that the next dolphin show starts at 1 p.m. and it's about 12:15 or something like right now. There's some tables and seats where you can take a break, so we'll wait until the next dolphin show over there then. Hey, sweetie. Right there, right here. One. Uh-oh. The other one. Good, good. Let's try it, let's try it. No, this way, this way. I think it came out. It's here, it's here. Yay! We got it! Are you happy? Are you?
Are you?
I'm happy? You sure? Okay. 愛想笑いをするな So we got into the cafe area. It's interesting. There's actually some fish inside the cafe area
本当
too.
だ
So this is the menu they have for the coffee. So there's some English on it too. There's the udon, hamburgers, some special drinks here, ice cream, fried potatoes, chicken, for kids menus too. And just simple drinks here like soft drinks like Coke and tea and ginger ale. So we got some French fries for Hinata, some cappuccino for me, and Ami wanted to eat ice cream in the middle of winter, so we got some ice cream for her too. Alright. What is it? Is it a?
Penguin.
Oh, it's a penguin. Oh yeah, exactly. It's written here too. It's a penguin.
ペンギンの形モナカってなんていう
I don't know actually. We need to look that up.
のモナカアイス
Let's take a bite. Let's take a seat. Is it good? Is it good?
しょっぱいちょっと
Okay, it does
Shogo
taste like
vanilla.
that.
でモナカが歯にくっつく
Yeah, exactly. That's what monaka is. Your deep sea water ice cream is mellow, salty vanilla ice cream and waffles made from safe ingredients. Oh, from Kochi. That's cool. Satisfied? Good. So you're allowed to bring your own food into the aquarium. So if you can't find anything you want on the menu, you can just bring it into the Kyoto Aquarium outside as well. So that's very convenient. And it's a Monday today, but as far as we've seen so far today, families and couples, like really literally half and half. So everyone can enjoy the aquarium. And it's really nice that they're prepared for families to come here too. They had the room for changing diapers and nursing room, and they have chairs for the kids, and they have the kids menu, the parking for the baby strollers too, so they're completely prepared for families to be here. And outside the cafe there are actually seats too, so you can sit outside if you like. It's very beautiful out here too. So the dolphin show is going to be starting in about 3 more minutes, I think, just a minute or two, so we're going to be waiting here. There's stickers here that tell us that these seats will get wet during the show. We'll see how this goes. It's winter, it's gonna get really cold maybe. We'll see how this goes. Excited? It's starting.
取れんかった
That was really exciting. It was only about 20 minutes actually, but it was an awesome show. The dolphins were really cute. And the second row seats were okay, but if you were sitting in the front, you'd probably get really wet though. The camera was actually a little bit wet. It was an awesome show. That was great.
楽しかった。
Right. If we just keep on going down the slope, it's the exit. But before that, it seems like a small garden area here. Let's take a look inside. Oh, it's actually pretty beautiful.
わあ。綺麗ね。さたん気をつけてね。
Very nice.
鯉がいるね。
Oh, that's nice.
鯉だね。うん。あ、ポイするのないわ。ポイするの今持ってない
Yeah,
わ。
when we went to that shrine.
そうそうそう。よく覚えてるね。
So, the exit's over there on the left side.
うん。
So we're not allowed to come back inside once we get out, so this is the exit.
うわ、すごっ。
More salamanders. There's some sweets here, socks, toothbrushes,
うん。
chopsticks, cups, everything.
うん。
It's actually pretty fun to see.
うん。
Okay, so this is the entrance. Let's go.
うん。
So we're back to the entrance again.
うん。あ、見て。
Oh, they give you information about the bus here as well. Alright, so we just got out of the Kyoto Aquarium. It was a really awesome experience. I think the best part about it was, of course, watching the fish and all the dolphins. The show was nice, but they're really prepared for families to be here. The nursery room, the chairs, and the menus for the kids. It was great. One thing I was a little bit worried about was that there's not too many English in all the signs inside, only like the names of the sections, the areas inside the aquarium. So it would have been better if they had a little bit more English on the description about the fish. What did you think?
めっちゃ楽しかった。
Mm-hmm.
うん。ひなたもすごい喜んでて、子連れにぴったりだなっていうのはすごくある。
There are actually a lot of couples there too, so it's literally great for everyone. Alright then everyone, I hope you enjoyed watching this video. Our goal is to achieve 100,000 subscribers by January 2022, so I hope you can give us a subscribe and help us out. And everyone, we'll see you in our next video. Goodbye.